Your daily life will require the use of a microfiber cloth to clean a variety of gadgets and surfaces. These options are simply the best cleaning options for shining and smooth surfaces, like the outside of a car, the rims, the glass windows, etc., as well as digital displays like TVs, monitors, smartphones, etc. You should invest in microfiber cloths if you're new to car detailing or car maintenance in general. Compared to conventional clothes and rags, they have many benefits, including time savings and better-looking finished products. Generally, this microfiber cloth can be used in homes and kitchens. Well, in this article, I'll be listing the best microfiber cleaning cloths for cars you be considering. Note that this is not a sponsored post. All microfiber cleaning cloths listed below are based on the best and top-performing ones in today's industrial market. There are numerous options for cheap best microfiber cleaning cloths, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best microfiber cleaning cloths from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Chemical Guys Microfiber Cloths. Chemical Guys professional grade premium microfiber towels are available. This is a set of 1 microfiber towel, which is a bit more than our previous choice. These towels are roughly 16 times 16 inches each, and the material used to make these towels is a superior 70-30 blend. Therefore, you can rely on the towel's quality and effectiveness for both dry and wet surfaces. It would be wiser to purchase a premium set rather than one with a greater number of pieces if you don't require a lot of microfiber cloth. As a result, we are adding this Chemical Guys choice to our list. To achieve the softest surface possible, the Chemical Guys professional grade premium microfiber towels have microscopic fibers. In addition, number 2. AIDEA microfiber cloths. You should choose the following option from AIDEA if you frequently want a microfiber cloth for a variety of uses. You won't need to find another for many years if you have this set. The AIDEA microfiber cleaning cloth set, which comes with 100 units that are each 12 x 12 inches in size, is the most profitable option on our list right now. Each of these units has a surface that is extremely soft and completely scratch-free, because it is constructed of a material blend of 87% polyester and 13% polyamide. Number 3. The Rag Company All-Purpose Microfiber Terry Cleaning Towels. You'll come across a few strong competitors in your search for the top microfiber car cloth. The Rag Company's 80/20 polyester to polyamide ratio results in a very soft and highly effective microfiber towel that cleans the automobile without leaving a scratch in sight. Choose from a variety of sizes and 12 packs of the Rag Company all-purpose microfiber terry cleaning towels with over 200,000 fibers per square inch to best fit your needs. They are absorbent, lint-free, scratch-free, and extremely soft because of the thread count of 300 grams per square meter. Number 4. Solid microfiber cloths. For those looking for a compact but powerful set of microfiber cloths, Solid has a fantastic answer. On this list of the best microfiber towels, this bundle has the largest fabric size. The Solid multipurpose plush microfiber towel set is our third alternative and a terrific choice for individuals who prefer a larger towel size over a lot of towels in a set. This multi-purpose set of microfiber towels, as the name implies, comes with 6 units and has a surface area of 24 x 16 inches. These towels can therefore be used for drying jobs, domestic chores, and car washing. Number 5. HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cloths. HOMEXCEL has given quality microfiber cleaning cloth sets to tens of thousands of automobile owners, and you may get one for your vehicle as well. In addition, HOMEXCEL offers a wide range of additional necessary accessories. Another popular choice from our list that has so far helped thousands of consumers is the HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Set. The 12 cleaning cloths in this set are each available in a size of 12 x 12 inches. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.